Welcome to Fun-Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
Hi, I'm Jay from Fun-Keys, and today I'll be showing you how to do the hi-hat. And these are my birds, Seraphina and Pikachu. If you haven't already, check out my first video on the kick drum and my second video on the case snare. And be sure to like and subscribe for more videos every week. Now let's get on to the tutorial. First, you start off by saying ta. Now, to get the t sound, all you have to do is take away the from ta, like this. T, t, t. Then, try and make a slithering sound of a snake, like this. S, s. If you put them together, you get ts, ts, ts. Also, depending on the beat you're doing, you can take away the s and you can just have ts, ts, ts. I'll put it into a beat for you. Next week, I'll be teaching you the PF snare. See you next week. Bye.
Want to teach your kids piano and music at home? Well, you can. Buy our Fun-Keys flashcards for nursery kids and for school kids. You can also join one of our courses if you check out our website. Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.